All right, we are off on our annual Thanksgiving road trip with Menko the cat in tow because she loves hanging out at the cabin. We've got to stop somewhere for lunch to grab her special made beer labels. And no, I didn't say that wrong. I'll show them to you after we grab them. We'll get that taken care of and get out of town. We're here, Menko. There's a cookie. You were bird under the blankets, weren't you? Did you see your beer? I'm sure you're very excited. We acquired the Menko beer and we are on the road. We're gonna stop and hit Jimmy John's up because they didn't have their kitchen open yet while we were there, but they open early for soccer is why they were open at all. Got a pickle witch reaction. Leah likes pickles, so she got this special thing.
I love pickles. Not a very good bun.
All right, we are no longer hungry. The pickle witch was apparently mediocre. And we are on our way to Portland, about 5 hours to go. Leah has been dropped off at her parents', and Menko and I are on the way to a friend of mine's to spend the night and hang out with. Tomorrow we'll go pick up Leah, and then we'll head up to the cabin. All right, we're done hanging out with my friend. We're gonna go pick up Leah at her parents' and get up to the cabin here today. Menko did really well while we were visiting my friend. She was a little spooked when we had to carry her inside the apartment building and stuff. A lot of new sounds, but once she was in there, she was a happy kitty, rubbing all over our legs and everything. On the way out, she was a lot calmer because I think she just had time to calm down from the car ride, but she's been doing a great job. She hasn't complained at all on the drive today, so that's really good. We're just gonna knock it out. It's a typical wet and rainy day here in Portland. Menko has gotten so much better at being calm in the car. It used to be if you were on the highway, she was not having any of it, she'd go hide. But for the last couple hours of the drive yesterday, as well as today, she's just been up and looking around and enjoying looking out the windows. I think after a couple of more trips, she won't even care if we're in the car or not. She'll go back to speed. We have acquired our Leah and we are heading out to the cabin. It's still quite Pacific Northwesty outside. And we have made it to the cabin, haven't we, Menko? She'll be a happy kitty in no time. She had a really good time last time she was here watching all the birds and wildlife. And we've made it to the cabin. I've done a whole video on what it's like to live out here, and I actually work from home while I'm here. So if you want to see that, that's of course linked, but I'm not going to show you much of it unless we do anything new and interesting, in which case I'll bring you along for the ride. And you might notice I'm in different clothes. It is actually the next day. We were just chatting with the family last night. So I'm gonna get on to working and I'll see you when I see you. And of course, Menko has settled in very nicely, haven't you, kitty? That's a good girl. Do I smell like the outdoors? Yeah. Well, we've been enjoying our time out here. We're off to Thanksgiving already. We'll be back in a little bit and then heading home shortly later. It's about an hour and a half drive from the cabin to Leah's parents, so we knocked out that drive no problem. I didn't take much footage while I was at Thanksgiving because that would be kind of rude, and it was family time. They didn't want to be on YouTube, obviously. We didn't get out of there until, well, actually, I'll just show you. Well, as you may or may not be able to see on that clock, it has surpassed 1:30 in the morning, and you might be able to see it's raining heavily, but we have enjoyed a Thanksgiving with Leah's family, and have also made it safely back to the cabin. It's time to go to bed. Oh, there's our kitty. We're back. That's a good girl. Did you miss us? Yeah. That's a good girl. Yeah, I smell like other kitties, don't I? You want more pets? Or you want to smell the camera? Yeah, you're a good kitty. You want to play with your mouse? You want to play with it now? Yeah, go get it. No, you're more interested in us. Well, it is the next day. Menko woke us up bright and early, so I didn't get much sleep, but apparently the ATV, one of them, needs a new wheel bearing, and so my dad's working on that right now, and this truck we're in right now apparently has a leak where water's getting inside of it, so we're gonna see if we can figure out where that is. I guess you could say this truck is roughly as waterproof as my BMW Z4, but that's a convertible, so I'd say it's honestly doing better. Got like a press or something, or does it just sit in there?
A press. Pressed in like a pro. Look at that thing. Already fell apart.
I was gonna say, they just fall apart.
That's how great those things are.
That can't be normal.
I can't imagine why those bearings fail so quick.
You have another one?
Yeah, like it's gonna be great.
Yeah, I know. All right, so I feel like a little backstory on these bearings is necessary. My uncle bought them, and my uncle loves a deal. Unfortunately, he doesn't know the difference between a deal and when you might want to invest in a higher quality part, such as when it comes to wheel bearings. So that's why these bearings are so subpar.
How much thread is sticking out on the other one?
There's quite a bit. There's a cotter pin and then a couple.
There's a cotter pin.
Oh, that goes through the thread.
So there's enough that there's a cotter pin that goes through the hole?
Yep. You're slipping on the top.
Try that.
Oh, that's nice and tight.
I will.
Yeah. Now we get to go mess with the truck and see if we can figure out where it's leaking from. This is damp right here. This is pretty moist. So we think we found it. We think it's just the windshield seal right there, where it goes up a little bit. It's not quite making a good seal. He thinks he's gonna try and fix it with a little bit of caulk. Hopefully that works for him, because a new windshield obviously isn't cheap. Are you ready to have your windshield repair judged by tens of people on the internet?
Mm-hmm.
Well, while my dad buttons up the truck over there after we've seen that it's waterproof now, I talk about another project that I actually tackled this week. You can see over on the tree right here, there's a little white piece of electronics, and that's a network access point, or in this case, it's a client, as we are beaming internet down from up the hill there from someone who rents from us. And it's really nice to have internet down at the shop so you can look stuff up. I threw together this little diagram in GIMP that kind of shows what the network looks like and why we have so many stinking devices. The 2 routers were fine, so I did actually just have to configure 9 network devices, and the 2 cheapo routers that are in the shop's network were by far the most difficult to configure, as they really wanted to be connected to the internet, and it's like, no, you are access point now. On Wednesday, my dad and I drove around and reset all of these devices and reset them up and reconfigured the routers, and it took probably a good 4 or 5 hours or something just between faffing about, but it was fun to go around with a laptop just playing with tech in the wild, you know, combining kind of 2 of my favorite hobbies. So I just wanted to keep that short, but I wanted to put it in here because I had a lot of fun doing that. Well, we've gained an entire human as well as a bunch of stuff, as you do when you come visit the family and they have upgraded their appliances. But we are ready to hit the road for home. There's a good kitty. Now, Menko, is that really the best place to be laying? We've got to head into town to visit my grandma, and I brought my code scanner so we can see what a few codes on her car are, and then we're gonna hit the road for home.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine.
Stopped here in Packwood to pick up some chicken and joes.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
The Kia has made it once again. Let's get the kitty inside and then unload this thing. What you doing up there, kitty? Yeah, you know where to go. You know where to go, don't you? Yeah, I know you want in. I gotta unlock the door. The door can't open fast enough. There she goes. That's a good girl. I think it's dinner time. All right, before I let y'all go here, it's a tradition on this channel that I put up Christmas lights and I share some time lapses as well as the end result with you. So this won't take long. Stick around if you want to see if I fall off my incredibly flimsy ladder. Let's get right into putting up some Christmas lights. All right, well, that's all the lights I've got. If you want to see me put up more in the future, then I do have a Patreon and stuff, because it was like 4 strands that just weren't working this year for no reason. I'll look into those later, but let's cut to when it's dark so you can see this thing in all its glory. And let's also hope I don't crash my drone this time. Cut to that footage first. Yeah, so that happened. Let's hope that doesn't happen again, but cut to the night. Well, that looks pretty neat, I'm assuming, because I haven't filmed it yet. But thanks so much for watching this video. Let's cut back to Joel from the past to outro, whatever video I tacked this on to the end of. Thanks for watching, I guess. Well, the other camera died, so I'm recording this on the 360 camera, but thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this little trip with us. It wasn't too eventful, but it's a good trip, of course. If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Like I said, I guess I'll see you next week. That's all I've got. Good night. Well, it's probably not night when you're watching this. Goodbye.